Damn, I made it. No way. No way. I've been trying to figure out how to get there. And this drone can get their full connection. Wow. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Look how far I am. Like 2 clicks. 80% battery. My god. Thank you, Dji. How do you get there? Unless you get by the farm, but I have no idea. Let's take a look, a better look. Let me look. Look around. Wow, what a gorgeous morning. I made it. I'm gonna cry. Try to go a little lower. I don't think I can go very low, but let's see. Has anyone ever been there? Good question. My god. Wow. Yeah, I'm losing a bar if I go too low. Wow. 72% battery, 2 click out. Oof. My god. This is why I'm using the motion controller. I can get so sharp. Let's go back. I want to get I'm at 70%. Still have lots of juice. Oh. Let's go slow, very slow. Let's admire this thing. Super slow. Looks like there's a forward or top maybe. I don't know. Not too sure I can get there. Yeah, losing connection. Let's come back. I'm feeling it. Time to come back. Wow, look at this run. Incredible. Let's see if there's a path. I don't think there's no path. here. I feel like I can go around the world. I think there's like some cow down there. 8%. Oh, it's gonna go too far. It's like, how amazing was that? I'm gonna cry. There's no other drone that can do that. And I still have 41 battery left. Woo! How gorgeous was that?